All right. Welcome, Swoovi and company, to the Kansas City's very first Tiny Desk and Swoovi's Tiny Desk audition. Shouts to the Kansas City Chiefs as being the championship city. Shouts to Prosperos. Shouts to this beautiful band. Thank you, NPR Tiny Desk, for this wonderful opportunity. I'm Swoovi. This is my company. On trombone, we got Chacko Finn. On tenor sax, we got Alex Thomas. On the ones and twos, we got Josh Luke. On bass guitar, we got Carlos. Yeah, I'm snapping. That's a good idea. And on the keys and the production of this EP, Brandon Black. And this is Wonderboy's Lullaby. Whatever you do, just promise me you will not trip over small things. Way too much beautiful ahead, you stay strong and never look back. Pick up your piece and get lost in the strings, twist some leaf on a Monday. You planted your seed, now just water and feed. Drop your shoulders and breathe. Understand that. Little live, laugh, love, couple hugs, you're enough. Keep flowing and know that it's okay. Ain't so bad when you stick to a path. Devoted to doing it your own way. Forget what they say, they just envy the lane that you paid all aboard on the soul train. Little mind at ease, gonna try no guarantees. I'm a wonder boy. La da 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 da. La di da di da di da. La da 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 da. La di da di da di da. Understand that. Little live, laugh, love, couple hugs, you're enough. Keep it flowing and know that it's okay. Ain't so bad when you stick to a path. Devoted to doing it your own way. Forget what to say, they just envy the lane that you paved all aboard on the soul train. Little mind at ease, gonna try no guarantees. I'm a wonder boy. Little mind at ease, gonna try no guarantees. I'm a wonder boy. Yeah. Chacko Finn on trombone. Alex Thomas on saxophone. Brandon Black on keys. Carlos on the bass. Josh Luke on the drums and the sound. Hard in the paint. Doobie do, I'm going hard in pain. Ooh, yeah. Water, weed, and coffee when I start my day. Scatterbrain is crazy just to keep shit straight. Some people think I'm lazy, give a fuck what you think. Oh, like Shaq and Bobby Ross, I'm going hard in the paint. Ooh, 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 going hard in the paint. Ooh, 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 yeah. Life's a bitch and there's no room for debate. Driven by the love, I get held back by the hate. It's crazy lately, baby, and the world's gone insane. I keep my head above the water, just trying to maintain. How long does a player have to work with this? The game is in the dirt, so I lace the pain and hurt into the tunes. That's what I do. The lights off, but the mic's on, girl. Don't ask me where the time's gone. Couldn't even tell you if I knew. So I'm scribbling on this canvas, coming in from a different planet, paint my picture as the world turns new. Water, weed, and coffee when I start my day. Scatterbrain is crazy just to keep shit straight. Some people think I'm lazy, give a fuck what you think. Oh, like Shaq and Bobby Ross, I'm going hard in the paint. Ooh, 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 I'm going hard in the paint. Ooh, ooh, I'm going hard in the paint. Ooh, bado, skibbity bado, skibbity bado, skibbity bado, bado, do do do. I'm going hard in the pain, yeah. That was beautiful. That was so much fun, man. So, me and Brandon been working hard on this project over the winter. My debut EP, Wonderboy's Lullaby, available everywhere April 14th. Yep. This next one I actually released before the project came back around, and this is a real homie summer shandy, feel good vibe. So hope you guys enjoy. Rock with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say rock with me. Na 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 na. Rock with me. Yeah. I'm floating. Everybody floating with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, that's so fun. Jesus. All right. So this next song, we preach continuity of Powerline music. Shout out to Powerline music. Appreciate you for teaching me that. This next song goes out to any girl that has gave me a sip of excellence. I've had to savor that little fix I got until I got another one. This is called When. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. To see you again. Wish I could help it, you're posted rent-free in my head. If it's love, lust, or just fun, or whatever the case is, you stay cool as a fan, understand that I can't get enough. Hello, how you are, am doing. Your essence alone got me thrown, and just know it's alright. And never mind a few times, and girl, now I'm just swooving. No pressure, the mood is as cool as a wind in the night. After all, in Alakazam of your hands all dissolve. Although it's my fault, picking all the Philly locks in my ball. That's tall with Camp Strong. Catch wind as we win and evolve. Oh, can't help but think about it like, when will I get to see you again? Wish I could help it, you're posted rent-free in my head. If it's love, lust, or just fun, girl, whatever the case is, you stay cool as a fan, Alex Thomas on that solo. Everybody give it up for Alex, man. Yeah, that was fire. Last but not least, this one's called Star Child. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little Swoovi something all side. Jiminy Cricket's chirping all night. The subtle smirk and wink is all the time. Ain't thinking bases need that no mind. Most days feel like I'm treading in place. Others vision in the numbers of a crib by the lake. Some way but now it's step in front of step, fighting for another day. It's gonna make me, or it's gonna take me. Either or, I know damn well it will not break me. Need a shake is lazy if I want them to pay me. Anxious state of mind, it got me smoking crazy. Do this on a daily, this shit do not faze me. If you didn't get the gist of what I'm saying, people tell me I'm a star child. Ain't going nowhere for a little while. All I know is rolling dope style. Light up the room, I hope you don't mind. Some people tell me I'm a star child. Ain't going nowhere for a little while. All I know is rolling dope style. Light up the room, I hope you don't mind. Why? How about those Chiefs? Yeah, signing out here.